Look at Belly.
But I think that's an Australian Shepherd.
Right here. I think that's her dog. Excuse me. What type of dog you have? She got it right. Right here. Oh, look at the little. Is that a poodle, ma'am? Golden poodle.
And I'm sorry, she has no manners.
No, you're all right.
You're gonna pat her. She will be right next to you.
Look at Bella. Oh, Lord. Yeah, but what you keep growling for? Oh, Lord.
You better not try to mate.
Oh, look, they got stuff down there.
What?
They got all that stuff down there. You see that?
Oh, yeah.
Why they all over here playing around? Yeah, y'all go play. Bella. You know better, man. Yeah, y'all gonna play around. Like, what you doing? Look at her. She gone. All right, y'all, we back. Bro, Bella in the background was scoffing. We just came back from the dog park, y'all. I got the Superman Blizzard, man. About to go ahead and try this. It's a hot ass day. Y'all see this shit already melted, bro. It's crazy. Excuse me. Don't get your hand on it. Hold on. Fuck. Better not. There we go. I won, nigga.
Around the stuff so you can.
Give it to me. See?
Because you always trying to make a mess. Why would you not get here?
Why would you give me no damn napkins? Like,
you trying to blame me, nigga? You need to be thinking.
Hey, nigga, be quiet. Hey. No, you not still hot. You doing too much.
She is doing too much. You just had a whole cold pup cup.
Bro, calm down, big dog. Damn. I'm gonna drop your ass off at Panda Express. Keep playing. Tough. Right here, y'all. Man, this Superman Blizzard hit.
Bella, if you don't fucking move.
Look, it's like cake batter and cookie dough crumbs. This shit is smackdown. What you get, back?
Confetti cake.
Wait, I think this might be. Does that look like your shit?
No, babe. It's just been the same shit. That's yours.
No, I said, don't this look like your shit though? Look in the inside.
Oh yeah.
I think it's confetti cake and cake batter, bro. I think that's what this is. If I'm wrong, I'll pop it up. This shit good as fuck. Hot day. And y'all pull up the Dairy Queen. Y'all try. Superman, man. If you don't like confetti cake, you won't like this. Because it's more confetti cake than anything, bro. Anyways, I got a hot ass dog in the background crying. So I'm gonna catch y'all guys in the next video. This shit good. I rate this shit. My mouth blew, y'all. I gotta rate this shit a 7. Where the fuck the red at in here? I just got the blue. Where the red at? Y'all could have made it a swirl. Y'all know y'all used the color dye. Y'all could have made it a swirl. You feel me? So we don't got no red in here, bro. Because everybody knows Superman is red and blue. He not just blue. This shit good. But Dairy Queen, come on. You know what Superman. Look, y'all got him on here. What other color y'all see he got on? He got red and orange on.
orange? Yo,
Yellow.
that's
He
it.
got red and yellow. He got red and yellow on my fault, y'all.
Red and yellow.
It's yellow. It's a logo. Look, his logo is yellow. Red and yellow. That's how the color she got on. He don't just got blue. It's a hit, y'all. Give a shout out to him. Creativity could have been better, but they got the maximum taste on here. This shit is smacking, bro. Peace. How much I paid? I paid $10 in total. Babe shit was so that means me and Babes have to be like what? $3 a piece? Like $3-4 a piece. I got Bella a pup cup too. Her shit's like had to be $2, so our shit had to be like $4 a piece, bro. This is for the small size, show. I recommend getting the small, bro, because they scamming when you keep going up in sizes. So get you a small, man. This be enough to cool you all. Peace.
Stay glad.